Music is a very important tool. It's a universal language that we use to communicate with others. Music is part of our culture. The purpose of music in this festival is to showcase our culture. To showcase how we are doing our music as a country in Botswana.
Sing with me, I can be, I can be, I can be, I can be what you want me to be.
We invite our local bands, and it's an opportunity to come and shine, and also to network with those international artists.
Daddy and mommy standing by, with daddy and mommy standing by.
We try to be diverse. We try to bring different genres, different tastes of music to our people.
And I will always love you.
We invite those bands so that they come and now serenade our people with the music, so that we actually leave a mark on the festival with such kind of very great performances from those very great artists.
Your smile, your intelligence, you woo me, you school me, you please me, baby, you please me, you school me, give me something to think about.
Not only locally, we also invite even the international artists. There are tickets sold at a price, either in an indoor, or sometimes we even host it outside and at the stadiums or at the recreational parks. I would say even our local bands, they got to get organized and be ready to submit their proposals and their profiles so that they can be considered in future for such kind of events. We host some music workshops where we do skills sharing.
Ya boca they cannot do anything cause you know you're that amiga the fireman. Me tell them I'm mistake. Hey,